wonderful and incredibly exciting. Planets many times larger than the Earth, gigantic black holes whose structures defy the known laws of physics, the nuclear reactor of the Sun, which is also the source of our life-giving energy, and billions of cities of stars that make up galaxies. The universe is truly unimaginably large and is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. It is so vast that we cannot even properly determine the boundaries of the universe. According to the latest astrophysical research, the limits of the observable universe are at least 93 billion light-years in diameter. This is a number far beyond our comprehension. Just consider that light travels at a speed of 300,000 kilometers a second, a speed that would allow one photon of light to travel around the world 7 times in just a second. 93 billion light-years. While we are still not able to comprehend the meaning of this number, the situation is even further complicated by another finding. Every second, the universe is expanding at an alarming rate, and this speed is gradually increasing.
In this episode of Miracle Planet, we will examine the magnificent universe and our world's place within it. We will also look at the beginning of it all, the Big Bang, which is the moment of birth of our universe, and some of the amazing new discoveries of astronomy.
Scientific information is important for us. Every new piece of information about the universe we obtain allows us to widen our horizons a little bit more. By God's grace, as we expand our horizons and increase our knowledge, we grow more in awe of our Lord's infinite wisdom, glory, and power.
Let's begin this episode of Miracle Planet.
Our place. If our minds are unable to really grasp the enormous scale of the universe, how do we know our place in it? We can use the size of the world as a benchmark to help us understand the true magnitude of the universe. For example, a point of reference might be that the diameter of the Sun is 103 times that of the Earth. Let's explain this using a comparison. If we take the to be that of a marble, then the Sun becomes a sphere twice the size of a soccer ball. What is really striking here is the distance between them. Following the above model, our Earth, the size of a marble, is 280 meters away from the Sun, the size of 2 footballs. If we apply this to our solar system, then we would need to place the planets kilometers away. You may conclude from this simulation that the solar system is truly huge. However, compared to the size of the Milky Way galaxy in which it lies, the size of the Sun is rather modest. This is because the Milky Way galaxy contains around 250 billion stars, many of which are even larger than the Sun. Such a massive collection of stars that if you tried to cross it with a jet plane, it would take you 100 billion years to go from one end to the other. However, what is truly incredible is that the Milky Way galaxy is generally considered a small place within space. There are other galaxies in space. In fact, it is estimated that there are somewhere between 200 and 300 billion of them. And as more are continuously being discovered, the actual number remains unknown. The tiny Earth in the universe.
Our world was created as a very special place for life within a universe so vast that we cannot reach its limits. For us, the planet